In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping on Squarespace, whether you're launching a new online store or refining an existing one. Understanding how to configure your shipping settings is essential for ensuring that your products reach your customers smoothly and efficiently. Let's walk through the process together. Start by heading over to your Squarespace homepage. It's essential as your jumping-off point for accessing all the features you need. Once you're there, look for the Settings option. This is where you'll find most of the configurations for your website. Click on Settings to open a world of possibilities for customizing your store. Next, locate the Selling option within the settings. This section contains all the tools and options related to your store's sales operations. Clicking on Selling will put you one step closer to offering your customers the best shipping options possible. Now look for the Shipping tab under Selling. This area is crucial as it allows you to define how you will deliver products to your customers. Clicking on Shipping takes you to the main control panel where you can add, edit, or remove shipping options for your store. Once you're in the Shipping section, click on the Add Shipping option button. This is where you can start customizing the shipping details to suit your store's needs. For a straightforward shipping fee, select Flat Rate. This option allows you to charge a specific amount for shipping, regardless of the order details or destination, which can streamline the shipping process for both you and your customers. In the next step, you'll need to name your shipping option. Type in a clear and descriptive shipping name to ensure that both you and your customers understand what this option entails. A good descriptive name will help in managing multiple shipping options and assist customers in making informed choices. Moving on, you'll need to enter the pre-order fee. This is an essential cost to consider when an item needs special preparation or handling before shipment. Enter a value that accurately reflects any additional service that might be required. In addition to the pre-order fee, type in the per-item fee. This cost is calculated based on the number of items a customer orders and is a practical way to cover any additional handling or shipping expenses incurred as order quantities increase. You'll then need to specify the country or countries where this shipping option will be available. Selecting one or multiple countries will determine the reach of your shipping terms, allowing you to cater to certain markets or geographic areas. Finally, once you've filled out all the necessary fields, make sure to click on Save. This action ensures that your efforts to set up and customize the shipping option are locked in and ready for your customers to use. By following these steps, you've successfully set up shipping on your Squarespace store, enhancing both the back-end management and customer experience with a comprehensive and transparent shipping process. Thank you for joining us today, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.